Hello guys, here I have a Whirlpool Washing Machine FFB 825 ABSV, and today I will tell you about the control panel overview. So, as you can see, in this control panel we have 6 buttons. The first one is for temperature, so if you choose any cycle you can manage the temperature by clicking this button. This button is for a spin level. To manage it, just click on it. The next one is for a rinse. This is a Fresh Care Plus mode. By this button you can set the delay. This button is for a shrine cleaning or enable the child lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave it a like, recommend, and goodbye.